So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin reached the price opportunity from this ascending triangle, reached the price opportunity from this inverse head and shoulder. Now, what to expect next? Are we going to continue this uptrend following this broadening wedge pattern? Are we going to continue this uptrend following this falling wedge pattern, resulting in another, or let's say a further impulsive movement for the coming weeks, coming months, and even for the coming year? Because we know the price of Bitcoin right now, right, is at this one very, very important line of resistance, which will be flashing us another buy signal once it gets flipped into support. I mean, the price after getting attracted around this 48,000, we are facing some difficulty, but if we flip this 48,000 into proper support, guys, the coming days for Bitcoin is going to be even more bullish, because it's not just only the price action. Even the indicators like MACD, RSI, T3CCI still looking very, very bullish. That means even if the price in the medium short term shows another move here like this rising trend line or Williams alligator indicator will be acting as a line of support, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to show a move here like this. Yes, after breaking this 48,000, the price of Bitcoin is expected to be very, very bullish, because in that case, we will be also invalidating this bearish scenario, which played out back in 2019 when the price had this 364 days of downtrend, when the price found bottom, when the price started with this relief rally. It got attracted in between this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line before getting rejected. In our case, I have said 364 days of downtrend, price found bottom, started with this new uptrend, also got attracted in between this 0.5-0.618 line. So flipping 48,000 into proper support means we will be above this resistance line, which is going to trigger another bullish continuation pattern. The price of Bitcoin will invalidate this bearish scenarios if we can find proper support above 48,000, because we know breaking the resistance around 48,000 will also invalidate this ascending broadening wedge, a bearish continuation pattern. Just like from this example here on the right hand side, if we fail to flip into proper support, we should be careful, because that could result in further continuation like this. But I have also been very clear, as long as the price remains above 43,000 in the medium short term, or let's say in the coming days, any sort of a pullback should not bother us that much. This will be just a temporary pullback, and even this bearish continuation pattern in that case will fail, and price after that is expected to show a continuation here like this. Yes, guys, even if the price in the medium short term shows some weakness, fails to break out of this 48,000, I am not going to turn bearish. That might be just a temporary retracement, because I showed you with this curve line, this cup formation, right? If we do see rejection around 48,000, price showing another continuation like this towards this golden pocket or 0.5 Fibonacci line, in that case, we might be coming back to form this handle, and that will be also looked as a bullish continuation pattern. Yes, guys, if we are going to see another continuation here like this, price of Bitcoin getting attracted around this lower trend line or the 0.5 Fibonacci line, it is going to form this handle, and that will be also looked as a bullish continuation pattern, cup and handle pattern. So that's why 48,000 must be flipped into proper support, because flipping that into support parallelly is going to result in further continuation according to this leading indicator for this Feb month. Yes, this monthly add-to line, which sits around 53,600, will be attracting us if the price finds support above 48,000 here in the medium short term. Flipping this R1 line around 48,000 into proper support will result in further impulsive movement here like this, and in that case, until we end the month of Feb, this monthly add-to line around 53,600 will be attracting us, and we know parallelly that will also indicate the price will be breaking out from this resistance line as well, and that is going to trigger another bullish continuation here like this, because if you look at this megaphone pattern, if you look at this broadening wedge pattern, you can see finding support above this 48,000 will not just only invalidate the bearish scenario, but it will also trigger another bullish continuation for Bitcoin for the coming days. And I have been very clear, this monthly R2 line around 53,600 or let's say 54,000, around that area is where we could be getting attracted. And now, even if you look at this price action of Bitcoin here in a monthly time frame, we are in this bullish continuation. This bullish continuation, price breaking the resistance from this falling wedge, has resulted in this bullish continuation. And according to this falling wedge, where is the price of Bitcoin heading? The price of Bitcoin is heading in between 60,000 to 70,000, the previous high before choosing the trend direction. So that's why, guys, the bigger pictures are clearly pointing us the price for the coming days looks extremely bullish. So even if we are going to see any sort of a shakeout in the medium short term, please do not worry, because that will be just a temporary shakeout before we continue with our new uptrend like this. That's why in case of doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture, even in a yearly columns, you can see Bitcoin history shows Bitcoin has never had two consecutive red years in a row. And in our case, I have been very clear with you guys, 2024 should be bullish year according to history, because in history we only have one red year, two consecutive bullish year, one red year, three consecutive bullish year, one red year, three consecutive bullish year. So we already had this bearish year in 2022. Now 2023, 2024, and even 2025 could be very, very bullish according to history. So that's why looking into different price action, looking into different time frames, you can see the price of Bitcoin for the coming days actually looks very, very bullish. So even if the price in the medium short term shows some weakness, failing to break out of this 48,000, I suggest you guys to simply zoom out and look at the bigger picture, because in a bigger picture, the price of Bitcoin looks extremely bullish. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. And guys, if you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And if you haven't claimed your bonuses, Bybit free $200 futures airdrop if you sign up using this link, Bybit 30,000 free bonus if you sign up using this link, and even a chance to take part in this 2.2 million USDT prize pool competition. But if you already have claimed your bonuses from Bybit, then also check out Phemex 6,000 deposit bonus and OKX 50,000 in rewards. So these are all bonuses, these are all free money available for you guys. So please check the video description and try grabbing this opportunity. By saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.